Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and we got another review going on here. We're going to check out that I got off of Amazon. Alright, I had to get some rubber gloves that I got, and these were priced really efficiently. Now, I don't need anything heavy duty. If you need something heavy duty, chemical resistant or something, or you doing something serious that involves your safety, I wouldn't be getting these and putting my safety at risk over these, okay? Just to let you know, you're going to get something that's a lot more heavy duty, $20, $30, $40 minimum, maybe even more if it's for a specific duty to protect you and others, okay? Just to let you know. But for this, guys, this is like dishwashing gloves and stuff like that, so I just got them, you know, whatever. I kind of just got, you know, whatever they had, or, you know, whatever my option was, and these ones are really cost efficient. I think these were $5.99 for 2 pairs, is what they're telling me. Let's see when I open it up if it is 2 pair, but I guess they're vacuum sealed. I didn't know that. So they are vacuum sealed. So we got a yellow pair and a blue pair, which is kind of cool. You know me, I like the blues, that's why I got it. So we're going to see what's up. These are the size that I did get. I got a medium. That is what the tag looks like. You guys can pause that, okay? I got a medium. Now, this is the size of, whatever. Now, this, guys, is the size of my hand, just to show you, okay? So you guys can kind of see what's going on, okay? And that's kind of how they measure, you know, the hand on there. So now you guys already see what's going on with the hand size. We're going to try out the blue ones first. Actually, we'll try out the yellow ones first, because I don't really care if I bust up the yellow ones so much. So this is what the packaging looks like. That's what they put on the back, so you know what size you're going to get or whatever. And that's kind of, you know, what they gave you right there. All right, so we do have a right and a left, and this is a medium, and this is going to be nice and, you know, well, it's going to be snug enough. I have smalls, guys, and I tried to put them on, and it felt like it was going to hurt over time. I could have got them on, but it felt like a lot of pressure on my hands that I don't really want to do and stuff like that. I'm just letting you know that's what happened. That's why I did not want to have the small, and I went with the medium instead. Yes, I mean, these aren't as grippy, you know, as skin fit, as tightly fit, I guess you could say, as the other ones. If you see more of the expensive ones, I'm not sure the name brands on them, but usually this is a little bit tighter, and it has like a little wrist, you know, a little wrist section that keeps it tight as well. But those ones I saw were just for 1 pair. It was like $9.99, where I got 2 of these for $6. I think these are going to work fine. Like I said, they're only going to have one purpose for me, is, you know, not to get shocked and stuff like that. So that's the reason why I went with the rubber ones. All right, but let's see how much these weigh, okay? All right, so we got 29 grams, okay? So one of these gloves weigh 29 grams, all right? So if you're gonna, obviously, if you're gonna get 2 of them, then it should be, what, 58 grams? So yeah, that's it. So it's 58 grams. 29 grams each one, just to let you know. That's how much a product and thickness and stuff like that. Now, I don't have other ones to compare it with right now, but the reason why I like to put numbers on all the videos, guys, is because now when I do get my next ones or whatever in a month, in 3 months or whatever, now, no matter what, when we come back to this video, I'm going to keep the same standard. I'm going to measure it. I'm going to measure it on here. We're going to have numbers in order to, you know, compare the gloves to when I do the review, rather than just not having anything, and then it just won't help us move forward and get the product that's going to be best suit our needs, and so we can get the best value out of it as customers, okay? And that's kind of what's up. I mean, overall, I think mine are going to work perfectly. I'm very excited to try them out. They do smell like rubber. You know, you guys know what rubber gloves smell like. So it does have a little bit of the grip on here. I don't think those are going to work. Like I said, these are not heavy duty, any kind of crazy gloves. Mostly just for dishwashing and stuff like that. Okay. Now the blue ones, I'm gonna open up these just so you guys can see what the blue ones look like, and at least get a color of it. This way, if you're interested in this set, you could say, oh, I like that blue, or I don't like that blue. So that's kind of what the blue looks like. Honestly, guys, the blue feels tighter, just to let you know. See, you can even see it. The blue is a tiny bit tighter. I mean, maybe you don't see it that much, but I feel it like all these creases here, where this one doesn't have as many creases. you notice that. It doesn't seem like a big difference, but I noticed the difference of the grip of this blue one. I feel like I can get better grip. It just feels a little bit tighter. Just to let you know, I mean, these are made on a large scale. Who knows what country they're made in and how thousands they're making every second. So quality control is not going to be the best. But what do you want for the price of this value? Like I said, these are going to work good for exactly what you need. Dishwashing, cleaning, and stuff like that. And you're going to be set, okay? So these are the overall length of them. So you could see, I mean, they're roughly about 12 inches is what they're saying. You're probably only going to get 11 inches, you know, after you put these on. But that's what they're saying is 12 inches, okay? And that's kind of the width of them like that, right where your arm goes in. So now you guys can see that, and then you guys can see the width of the hands as well as I just put it over that, and you guys can easily just get some numbers. All right, so that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on a small review and a little unpackaging review of these as well. I will update you if these do rip or whatever, and I'll let you guys know later on. We'll come back to the video, or I'll just do an update on the quality of these. But that's it for Glen Velvet Reviews on these. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, all right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you could support the channel by clicking on those affiliate links below. Somehow, some way, times a million, it equals into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube, and if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you come back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the items so we know we're getting good value, and also helping my subscribers with any questions they have on the products that I did already review. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Bye-bye, everybody, and I will see you guys later.